Most MSMEs fail before they grow, not because they lack ambition, but because their business plan is broken from the start. In this episode, I'll show you the biggest planning mistakes and how to avoid them like a pro. Hi, I am Abani Vishwan Bera, an MSME growth strategist and sales coach, and this is the AI powered MSME Growth Hub, the channel where entrepreneurs like you unlock real world strategies to scale your business, grow revenue, and harness the power of AI without the big consulting budgets. Over the last 3 decades, I have worked with MSMEs and MNCs across India, and now I am on a mission to help 100,000 MSMEs achieve unstoppable growth. If you are ready to accelerate your journey, let's dive right into today's powerful insight. Why a solid business plan is crucial for MSME success. A business plan isn't just a document for investors or banks, it's a roadmap for your business growth. Many MSME struggle with execution because their business plans are too vague, lacking clear action steps, overly complex, full of irrelevant details instead of practical strategies, unrealistic, with financial projections that don't align with actual business conditions, and finally, never updated, written once and forgotten instead of being reviewed regularly. So, the key takeaway here is a business plan should be clear, actionable, and adaptable, not just a formal document that sits in a file. Now, I will dive to reveal the 6 biggest mistakes MSMEs make in their business plans and how to fix them. Mistake number 1: writing a business plan for investors, not for yourself. Now, where is the problem? Many MSMEs write their business plan thinking about investors or banks want to see rather than how they will actually run their business. Now, how to fix? First, write your business plan as a working document, something you can use to make better decisions. Second, focus on realistic goals, cash flow management, and market strategy rather than fancy projections. And number 3, investors care more about execution than perfect numbers. Show how you will achieve growth. Let me give you a use case example. A B2B industrial services MSME can think of rewriting its business plan from impressing investors to providing a step-by-step action plan. This will surely help the team align on clear priorities and execution timelines, improving revenue growth by up to 25% in 1 year. So, here is the takeaway for mistake number 1. A business plan should first serve your business. Investors will follow when they see a solid execution strategy. Mistake number 2: ignoring market research and customer validation. Now, where's the problem? Many MSMEs assume they already know what customers want without doing actual market research. Now, how to fix this? First, conduct surveys, interviews, and competitor analysis before finalizing your business plan. Then, clearly define your target audience, pain points, and buying behavior, and finally, update your business plan regularly based on customer feedback and market changes. Here is a use case example. A local MSME in the packaging industry may assume that their customers want cheaper solutions, but market research alone will reveal that customers are willing to pay more for eco-friendly packaging. They then can adjust their strategy, which will lead to increased profit margins instead of competing on price. So the takeaway for mistake number 3 is your assumptions are not always facts. Validate your business idea with real market data. Mistake number 3: unrealistic financial projections. Now here is the problem. Many MSME owners create overly optimistic revenue projections without considering operational costs, market fluctuations, and cash flow cycles. Now here are the fix. First, be conservative with revenue forecast and realistic about expenses. Second, use a cash flow projection model to ensure your business stays financially stable. And third, plan for unexpected costs and downturns instead of assuming everything will go perfectly. This is a use case example for reference. A reseller of industrial automation products may initially plan for 100% growth in year one. But if they review realistic market trends, they will find that they need to adjust to lesser annual growth, say 30%, a goal they can successfully achieve. So, takeaway for mistake number 3 is hope for the best but plan for the worst. Realistic projections keep your business stable. Mistake number 4. No clear differentiations or unique selling proposition. Now, here is the problem for such mistake. If your business plan doesn't explain what makes you different, you will struggle to compete in a crowded market. Now, what are the fix? First, identify and highlight your unique selling proposition. What makes you stand out? Second, avoid generic phrases like best quality or great service. Be specific. And third, explain why customers should choose you over competitors. Now, here is an use case example. Imagine that you are a B2B logistic MSME. You can think of refining your brand positioning from affordable logistics to specialized supply chain solutions for MSMEs, which will surely help you to attract the right customers and scale efficiently. So, takeaway for mistake number 4 is if you don't know what makes you different, neither will your customers. Mistake number 5. Treating the business plan as a one-time document. Here is the problem for such mistake. Many MSMEs write a business plan once and never update it, making it irrelevant as the business evolves. Now here are the fix. Review your business plan every quarter to track progress and make adjustments. Then set realistic milestones and updates strategies based on market conditions. And then adapt to new challenges instead of sticking to outdated plans. Here is a use case example. Think of a retail MSME who thought of reviewing its business plan after 6 months, and they can realize then that they needed to expand to e-commerce due to shifting customer preferences. This adaptation could double their sales. So takeaway for mistake number 5 is your business plan should evolve as your business grows. Keep it updated. So, it's time for key takeaways and final thoughts. Writing a business plan is important, but avoiding these common mistakes is even more critical. Here is what to remember. Write a business plan for yourself first, not just for investors. Second, base decisions on market research, not assumptions. Third, use realistic financial projections. Don't overestimate revenue. Fourth, clearly define what makes your business unique. And fifth is treat your business plan as a living document. Update it regularly. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I release 2 powerful episodes every week to help you grow your MSME with practical, proven, and AI-driven strategies. And if you are truly serious about growth, I invite you to join my free AI-driven growth webinar. The link is right in the description. Until next time, stay inspired, stay growth-minded, and keep building.